up, and it will go up, and when we will pull it down, it will go down. This is it works.
Sir, Madam. Myself, Ms. Khadija Khalid Sange from 6A. Today we are representing a project of working model of kidney. The kidneys are the bean-shaped organ. Its basic use is to purify blood. After purification of the blood, our urine travels from a kidney to the urinary bladder with the help of this ureter, which is this tube. This tube is around 8 to 10 inches long. After the urine flows from our urine flows from our ureter to our urinary bladder in every 10 to 15 seconds. This tube is called urethra, which helps us to pass our urine out of the body. Thank you.
Good morning everyone and welcome in our Krish Jyoti Convent High School. My name is Prajakta Mahansane from standard 6A. My topic for the science exhibition is working of a heart. The heart is a muscular organ. It is located in the chest between the lungs.
Good morning everyone. My name is Mathi Rajendra Gautika from class 6A. Today I have exhibited the human body organ lungs. The lungs are the main organs of respiratory system. The lungs are present in many animals. Humans have two lungs. The right lung is bigger than the left one. The lungs together weigh approximately 1.3 kilograms. Lungs, they take oxygen from the air. Lungs release carbon dioxide. Later oxygen is transferred to the blood. Thank you.
My name is Aksha Prakar. I am from the 6A. Today I am representing Archimedes screw. Archimedes screw is the earliest hydraulic machine. It is used to transfer water from low-lying areas to irrigation ditches. Water is transferred in a screw-shaped surface inside the pump. Archimedes screw is named for a Greek philosopher who first discovered it at 234 BC. There is evidence that it is used long ago in Egypt. Thank you.
My name is Anuchandaka Chakude for standard 5th. This is the respiratory system. When the diaphragm moves down, the air is filled in the alveoli, and when the diaphragm moves upward, the air is pushed out from the diaphragm. This is the respiratory system. Thank you.
My name is Sarthak Rajendra Sawant. I am from standard 6th. So I have made a Ferris wheel. So for this project I have used cardboard, glue, 12 volts battery, regulator and 50 rpm DC motor and wire and straw and a thread. So now I will explain how it works. So first, when we connect a battery to the regulator, and regulator gives the current to the motor, and we have used the regulator to control the speed of the Ferris wheel. And when the motor rotates, it gives the motion to the thread. And so this is how our Ferris wheel works. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ibrahim Mainuddin Tambe and my partner name is Arman Paloji. It is a It is a smoke which falls down. Hot smoke goes up and cool smoke came down. The smoke causes very injury and it dangerous. Do not try at home and everywhere.
This is water purifier. I am Dhruva Vare from 6th A. I have made a water purifier. You can see there are 5 layers which helps to clean the water. So first layer, which is of big stones, help to remove the big particles from the water. Second layer, which is of medium stones, it helps to remove the medium particles from the water. Third layer, which is of sand and tiny stones, it helps to remove the tiny particles from the water. And fourth layer, which is of crystal salt, it helps to remove some of the bacteria from the water. And the last layer, which is of coal, it helps to remove the false layer from the water.
My name is Master Sharvin Rakesh Madik. I am from standard 6th. Today I make a drone. In the drone we have used material like 2 ice cream sticks, 4 motors, 4 caps, 2 batteries and sellotape. The fan, now I will explain how it's work. The fan, we have to connect the battery connector to the battery, then the motor rotates and the fans also rotate. Then it can fly. Thank you.
My name is Nehal Kazi. I am studying in 8th. My partner is Ved Patel. We both have an electric generator and petrol generator and electric generator. Petrol generator and electric generator. As you can see, petrol generator. I will put some petrol on it. And it's get on. Let's get on. So. As you can see, this is causing. Wait, sorry.
What is that?
सर ते असून द्या सर 1 मिनिट हे लावतोय मी.
Good morning everyone. My name is Avdut Rajesh Choche from 5th A. My project is respiratory system.
Good morning one and all. My name is Aisha Musammal Bamni. I am from 5th B. My topic name is vacuum cleaner. Requirement: plastic bottle, net, glue gun, motor, fan, battery and pipe. Vacuum cleaner is used to clean dirt and other waste things.
Good morning everyone. My name is Swara Sandesh Kadam. I am studying in standard 5th B. My project is about the filtration tank. When the air collected into the bottle, we can drink that water safely. It's about my project. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. Myself, Ms. Mugdha Sandesh Bobekar from standard 5th B. So today I have made a model based on water pollution. Water pollution is a very serious environmental issue that we are facing right now. Water gets polluted when physical and biological and chemical properties deteriorate due to human activities, and it is extremely hazardous to the environment and must be curbed right away. The harmful industrial effluents get neutralized and before properly discharging into water bodies. To conclude this speech, I want to say water pollution can be controlled if necessary measures are taken by everyone. Thank you. So how my model works. Here are some factories and buildings, and here are some pipelines of the buildings and factories. And like this way, the water gets polluted. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sheza Sajid Kazi from standard 5th B. My topic is on water cycle. There are 4 main parts on the water cycle. 4 main parts on the water cycle. First one evaporation, second concentration, and third one precipitation, and fourth one collection. The water cycle is on. The water cycle shows the continuously movement of water within the earth and atmosphere. It is a complex system that include many of different process. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. Myself Harshita Dinesh Bhadoria from standard 5th C. I have made a mini science project that is known as mini mixer. You can call it cutter also. I will show you how does it work. I will on and I will put this fenugreek inside it. It is cutted. Now I will off the switch and I will show you how it is cutted. It is cutted into very thin parts and I have used here for making this project 2 shaving blades, 9-watt battery, DC motor, switch, and they are connected to each other, and small 2 containers for prevent all the things inside it. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Ayush Prashan Patil from standard 5th C. This is a windmill project. This windmill first produces kinetic energy and converts into electricity and gives electricity to this house.
Hello, my name is Riyadan Mankal. Today I have made a simple circuit machine. The process of the circuit machine is when we on the switch, the battery and the wire which the energy goes through it, the DC motor, with the help of DC motor, the switch, the battery is on. And when we on the switch, due to the battery, the fan starts. Thank you.
Myself Master Pratyush Ravindra Pole from 8th A. My project name is Epic Tank Shootout. Let's see it. Sir, side. तुटलं नाही ते.
Good morning, sir. My name is Jabir Nazir Chogle from standard 9th B. Today I will show this model. This is a smoke absorber. If some residential area that is caused by fire, so we can keep this machine there and we can put pipe here. Then we can throw the pipe to open ground and then we can on this machine. So you can see that smoke is coming out. From here it is going and here it is coming out. See, the smoke is coming. This is for today. Thank you.
Munaf Shah from 9th B and my partner Magdum from 9th B. We make this solar panel and this windmill and get renewable energy and get electricity by it. Windmill gives potential energy and this solar panel gives renewable type of energy, and by this we can also, it is also used to store in batteries, and it is also a potential type of energy.
Myself Suhail Tajummul Hussain Parkar. This is my model. I am from standard 9th and he is my friend Rafik Tambe. We are both here by presenting a science model which is called drip irrigation method. Drip irrigation is a technique in which water is collected into the tank, then the water flows from tank to the special drip wire to the farms, and then the water is reused.
Good morning. Myself Izan Mukaddam from standard 6B. Today I have prepared a wind turbine. Wind turbine works on a simple principle. Instead of using electricity to make wind, wind turbine uses wind to make electricity. Wind turns propeller like blades of a turbine which creates electricity and which spin generator. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Vanshvardhan Dinesh Ashwar from standard 6th A. Today I am going to make air cooler. It is air cooler. It is made of battery, DC motor, DC switch and wires. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.
Friends, I am Adyan Rizwan Maldar from standard 9th. I have made your earthquake indicator. Tremendous earthquake occur in the world. See now how it's work. Thank you.
Can you explain me the structure of kidney?
Yes, kidney is a bean shaped. Kidney are a pair of bean shaped in an organ. They are located in either side of our spine and behind our belly. Its basically its size is 4 to 5 inches. Its basic use is for purifying blood. After purification of blood, our urine travels from our kidney to our urinary bladder with the help of ureter. Its size is around 8 to 10 inches long. Urethra is a small tube which helps to begin our lower opening of our bladder, and it is useful to pass our urine from our body. Thank you.
Very good. Nice.
Do you know, many years ago, when you were a child, one man used to come taking a cycle on a box. There was a hole in the box. Inspiring that, today we have prepared a project Minitator. We have used a convex glass. We have attached 2 convex glasses because the convex glasses have a convex lens. We have placed a phone on one end of the box and have played a movie. It almost looks like a theater. We have tried our level best to make it better.